In this video, I will show you how you can pair your AirPods 4 with any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that your AirPods are fully charged. After you do that, then just open the lid of your AirPods case. Now after you do that, a pop-up will appear on your iPad. Now just tap on Connect to pair your AirPods with your iPad. Now from here, just enter your AirPods into pairing mode by double tapping on the case of your AirPods. And once you see this white light starts blinking on your AirPods case, this indicates that your AirPod has entered into pairing mode. As you can see, we have successfully paired our AirPods 4 with our iPad. Just tap on skip, then select done. For example, if you have opened the lid of your AirPods case, but if the pop-up did not appear on your iPad, so in that case, just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just make sure you have enabled Bluetooth. If it is turned off, just turn it on. After you do that, then just open the lid of the AirPods case, then double tap on the case of the AirPod until you see this white light starts blinking on your AirPods case. Then under other devices, just tap on the name of your AirPod. And after you do that, you will connect your AirPod with your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.